Hey, you all having fun? Are you all having fun? Feeling warm, ready, happy, blessed? Like Pastor Emily said, today's a happy day, and it's all about the bride and the groom, and we're here to celebrate and cheer them on. I've just been told that the bridal party has arrived, so I'm going to need you to give me a hand, help me out as they walk on through. So first up, we've got the bride, mom and dad coming through, Mr. and Mrs. Alama. Give them a big hand. We got the Groomsmen, mother and father, Mr. and Mrs. Masoy. Big hand, everyone. Mr. PJ, look at all the way from New Zealand. We have
fish look like a toupee. I can put you getting 10 years in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my cool day. If you get what I get, what would you say? She writes it all off, Mr. Miyagi. And them suicide doors are recovered. Look at me now, look at me now. Oh, I'm getting paper. Look at me now, oh, look at me now, yeah.
All the way from the UK, Mags and Rafa. We have the beautiful Betty and Seppo.
Show me how you do that. Niggas so hard, I got the hood, how to do that. Niggas so hard, I'ma see the coming, let me respect the die. Because I got enough exercise. Never jump me down, get down, hit the floor.
Please go everyone, please be upstanding.